Hi everybody, I'm gonna be walking you through this bathroom. We have a few repairs to do here. So there's a water leak to repair there. Also there's one more there. There's another one there. There's one more by the door frame. This one caused a few other issues. So it damaged a little bit the door frame, and it cracked at the corner, the top corner of the door frame. Now the door is rubbing against the top part of the door frame because it kind of like shrank. Also, we have in between the ceiling and the wall, we have a big crack along the whole wall. That's pretty common with houses in winter. It's caused by the truss uplifting, pretty common. But here we have combination of issues. The vents on the roof were causing the leak, but we already fixed all that. Those problems are already fixed. We just added some seals and it seems to be working. We waited for a while to see if we would find other leaks, but it seems to be completely fixed. Nothing is going through, and now we're ready to be fixing. Stay tuned.